Hey guys, welcome to Electrofun. This is my 18th video tutorial on Python programming. In this video tutorial, I'm gonna cover about comparison operators and logical operators. Now there are many operators in Python. We have already discussed arithmetic operators in my previous video. Now let's start with comparison operators. These operators are, you must have seen these operators when in my previous video in if else, looping. Now these operators are very useful in decision making statements. So less than, greater than, less than, equal to, greater than, equal to, check whether LHS is equal to RHS, not equal to, logical operators, and now in the case of and, both A and B has to be true to get the output true, and in the case of or, any one of the condition can be true to get the output true. Now let's see with some of the examples. 10 is less than 20, true. 10 is greater than 20, false. 10 is less than equal to 20, true. 10 is greater than equal to 20, false. 10 is equal to 20. 10 is not equal to 20. It is as simple as I am using each operator and with an example to check the value if the condition is true or false. So in this way comparison operators can be used. You can also use it with if 10 is less than 20 with a small statement saying it's true. So yeah, so now let's check logical operators. And now in this case 10 is less than 20, also it is not equal to 20, so both of the conditions are true, so we get the value as true. Now let's say I take false, because one condition is true and the other condition is false, so we get the value as false. Now let's check with or. In this case I just use the same for and same for or, but in the case of and one condition is false, so we get false, but in the case of or either of one condition is true, that's the reason I'm getting output as true. Now you can use multiple and in a single statement in this way. And 10 is less than equal to 20, true. So this way you can use comparison operators and logical operators in Python. Now let's say, just take a string which have electrofun. Oh, I forgot to write equal to. Okay, I have just taken a string electrofun and stored it in a variable called string. Now let's check if any of the letters are present in that. So we can do this way in str, true. Then we can check el in str, so again it will give me true. Can check fu, fun, in str. So in this way we can also check if a particular alphabet is present in a string or a word in this way. So let's see. T brf in str. Now r is also present in string, f is also present, but the sequence, I have just changed the sequence, so that's the reason it has given me false. Now let's say I take a as 1 2 3, I take b as same 1 2 3, and I check a in b. Now you can see both a and b are same, but still I am getting false because there is no assignment between them. The length, they both of them are list, both of them have the same number of elements, both of them have 1 2 3, but still there is no assignment between them. Now this way, now you can check C in D, false, but C in A, again false. This, now I have just assigned A to C and D, but still I am getting false. So this way you can just check. Now let's check with this, A, B, C, C in D, false, D in C, false, A in C, true. True. So I'm just checking it with different cases, and you can see what I'm getting and what I'm not getting. Now what I did over here is I took C and D and I stored some values, and I'm checking element of that in the complete stored list. Now A in C, 1 in A. So this is some of the ways where you can check. I hope the main video was about comparison operators and logical operators. I hope you have understood that. If you have any doubts, don't forget to comment below. Like my video, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.